Okay, I got it.
Fish!
Probably should have pulled the kayak out here in case it was.
That is
Holy shit!
That is
Damn.
so cool. That is not cool.
Well, they said Corey come out here.
This thing gets on down the
Hell
lake,
yeah! Got a nice hum to it.
Yeah.
Damn, I almost had a good shot. Where the hell did he go? There he is.
Man, that thing is quick, ain't it? Yeah.
That is cool.
How far can you get out there? Not that far?
I think the range is like
Quarter
2,400 feet.
It's a little over a quarter mile.
Hit it full speed.
Shit.
I want to see Corey's get out there.
I'm charging mine.
I want to see Yellow get out there.
That's pretty smooth. Got a little rock to it.
Rocking.
I got the batteries a little too far
Yeah.
forward.
That is fast.
Yeah.
Damn fast.
It's
Probably like, what in the hell?
What the hell is that?
Should put a
Go up
fish
for
in.
water and
Should put a fishing
Oh,
lure
yeah,
on
bonk.
it. Put a fishing lure on it.
fishing lure on it.
Yeah.
That is so cool.
That's cool.
Oh!